What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn off the combat roll in Battlefield RedSec. When this setting is disabled, your character will just dive straight forward without doing the full roll animation, which makes the movement feel faster and more responsive. To change it, open the options menu from the main screen. Once you are in, scroll down and go to the gameplay tab. This section has the movement and mobility settings you'll need. Now scroll through the list until you see the option labeled roll camera in landing roll. This is the feature that causes your character to roll after diving. Go ahead and switch it off. After turning it off, back out and hop into the game. Try diving again and you'll notice there is no roll animation at all. Your character simply hits the ground and keeps going. This makes aiming right after a dive much easier cause you're not stuck in that long roll sequence. Play around with it for a bit and see how it feels. A lot of players prefer this settings cause it gives them more control during fast movement and gunfights. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.